Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to finally be making YouTube videos. It is long overdue, but here we are. Today I created this look. I want to start out all of my videos giving one of you guys a little shout out that show me love on social media because you guys are amazing. It means so much to me when you blow up my Instagram feed. So today's shout out is Yalitza. Thank you for blowing up my Instagram, girl. I'm going to post a picture here or here if I can figure out how to insert a screenshot of you liking my pictures. You went way back, by the way. Oh, some of my old posts are embarrassing, but I leave them up because it's like, you know, that was me. We all grow. And if you guys want a shout out, all you have to do is show me love on social media. All of the links to all my social media are going to be in the description down below. If you guys want to see how I created this look, and sorry about my messy bed head, keep on watching. Okay, I already did my brows off camera. I did all of my skin prepping, and I'm going to start with my eyes. Oh, and for my brows, I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. So I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette. And I want to start with this shade right here. I already primed my eyes using Shape Tape Concealer. So we're just going to start with a Morphe M441. And I'm just going to start blending. So just keep blending that transition shade. I like to use a lot of it. Circular motion like this. It's only $16. And KathleenLights is one of my favorite YouTubers. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC 217 brush. I'm not even going to go by the names. I'm just going to show you. I'm using this shade. And I'm just going to start packing that on the outer corner and blend. So pretty. I love Colourpop. Their shadows blend very, very easily, which is really nice for a $16 palette. Like, that's crazy how affordable they are. I'm also going to go in with this shade right here and just kind of mix that one in. MAC 217 as well. So now I'm going to take my MAC 242. I'm going to spray my brush with the Milani Make It Last. Just wet that brush. And then I'm going to go in with this blue. It's so pretty. This one is called Mermaid Boy. Love. I don't think I've even used this shade yet. I love a good like blue shimmer all over the lid with a warm crease. And if you wanted it to be more precise, you could cut the crease with concealer first, but we're in a hurry, so I'm just gonna pack it on. So just start packing it on. We're going to blend, and then blending is gonna save it. Intensify. God, this is so pretty. I'm telling you guys, the quality is incredible. Okay, so now I'm going to go back with that same 217 brush and this shade right here, Water Bearer, I believe, if I'm reading the back correctly. And we're just going to use that shade just to blend everything out into the crease. And then I might have to go in with the warm shades too to blend it. We just want everything nice and seamless. It's kind of a process. Going back, intensifying, blending, kaleidoscope. Oh, do you guys see that? Oh my god! Right over top. That took it to another level, I swear. Oh! Yes. That is so pretty. This is pretty, and this was simple too. You guys can see, like, I didn't really do anything crazy. I didn't even do a cut crease. It's just a lot of blending, and I only used 3 brushes. Now we gotta blend those edges. I feel like this would look really good with winged liner. And so I'm just gonna do my wing liner and I'll apply my eyelashes off camera. For my lashes, I'm just gonna be using the Ardell Wispies lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did wing liner, I did mascara, and for my liner and mascara, I used the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. This is the only liquid eyeliner that gives me that precise little flick. It's so easy to use. That's my favorite one. They're not perfect, but you know, I don't do winged eyeliner every day, so when I do, it takes me a minute. But if you guys do want an in-depth tutorial on wing eyeliner and how to apply false lashes, I will definitely do that. There's a lot of videos I want to make, so just comment down below right now what videos you want to see, and whatever one gets the most likes will be the one that I will do first, you know, but I want to do all of them. And then I used the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Definitely a dupe for Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced, and I like the Lash Paradise better. And I applied the Ardell Wispies with Duo Lash Glue, and then I'm going to go in with foundation, and for my foundation I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Soft Ivory, which you guys, you know, if you need a reference for skin tone, I'm like the lightest shade in most foundations. But I'm not mad about it because sunscreen is so important. I'm not trying to have sun damage. So this is pretty much my color all year round. And you just use this little wand thing. I apply a lot because I am a full coverage type of girl. Ooh, got it in the hair a little bit. Ooh. And then we gotta blend it down the neck too. Cute. I'm using my favorite beauty sponge, which is the Real Techniques, this orange guy here. And we're just going to blend. This foundation doesn't give me all of the coverage that I want, but you guys, I think it's like $5.99 or something. So cheap. It's awesome. Make sure you get in the crevices. Spend a lot of time just blending in that foundation. So important. I feel like this wing is longer than this one. Oh well. Okay. So now, Tarte Shape Tape, of course, in light. Everybody loves this concealer, and they have good reason. Now, I'm going to apply a lot of this, almost like a second layer of foundation, just because that foundation was more light coverage than I'm wanting. And I'm having a little bit more redness and all of that than I normally do. So we're just gonna go in and like I said, you do not need to apply this much concealer. If you have really good skin and you just feel like you have dark circles, literally just do like 2 dots and blend it out. Or apply like where you have breakouts. But like I said, I'm using it like a second layer of foundation. That is how you get your skin to look flawless. Aside from skincare, which I will do a skincare routine video because I am very passionate about my skincare. That is something that will make all the difference in the way that your foundation applies, is if you have good skin. And my skin is far from perfect, but once I have all my makeup on, you wouldn't know. Powder. And we are using the RCMA No Color Powder. This is my absolute favorite. I think you can buy it on Beautylish. It's like $10 for this huge thing. The packaging is trash, but the product itself is wonderful. And I don't bake, but I do use my sponge, and I literally just press it in. I don't wipe it away. Like, yeah, that's a lot of powder, right? Okay, we're just gonna press it all on. And I do that all over my face, and that sets everything amazingly. Throughout the day, it's gonna mattify. Okay, seriously, I spend so much time just pressing everything in, making sure we're blended. Alright, now, do I want to do a blue lower lash line? I'm going to start by going in with this deep blue, the Water Bearer color, and my Morphe M432 brush. Okay, now we need to blend that out, and I'm going to use this intense color. Ooh, what is this one called? I think it's called Spark. This one. Okay, so I found this Morphe Blue Dusk Gel Liner. It's called Dusk. And I'm going to use a MAC 210 brush, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. I've never used this before. Go in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I don't even have to say how much I love this. I don't use contour, I just use this. And my Morphe M523 brush. And this is a brand new one, by the way. My other one I hit pan, so I needed to get a new one so I don't look all ghetto on camera. So I'm just going to contour and bronze the face with this. It is the perfect shade of bronzer if you're very fair like me. Or even my coworker with a more medium skin tone really likes it, but they did release more colors now too. My coworker has like a serious obsession with this bronzer to the point where it almost needs to be addressed. The amount of butter bronzers that she owns. So I think eventually on my channel that's going to be a video in itself. My coworker's butter bronzer addiction. Make a whole video out of it because it is that insane. And now I'm going to bronze up with a bigger brush so I can get a larger area. The M527, my favorite bronzer brush. The other one I just used as my favorite contour. This is my favorite bronzer. And I did get a little low, so you can clean up. So you can kind of clean up with that powder. And I'm going to let that bake. Highlight. My favorite highlighting brush, Morphe M501. I know I use all Morphe brushes, but I promise you, like, I don't have a discount code or anything like that. They don't know I exist. I just really like their brushes. They're a very good price. So I am using the Physicians Formula Natural Nudes Shimmer Strips. That is really pretty. It's still more pink than I was wanting my highlight to be today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Sleek Makeup Solstice palette, and I'm going to use this yellow shade, which is my freaking favorite. And that will just lighten it. Do you see how intense? I really like highlight, if you can't tell. Just keep putting it on there. And I am going to wipe this off. This is my favorite for highlighting the inner corners, and it's the Morphe E35. So I'm going to again go back into the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to use actually this shade down here. Now see what that looks like as an inner corner highlight? Maybe it'll be cute. Ooh. Brow bone. Can't neglect the brow bone. A lot of people don't like a super shimmery brow bone. I, on the other hand, love it. Oh no, I don't want that. So I'm going to go back in. You really want those inner corners to pop. Sleek makeup. Yes! Yes, yes. Living. Blush, and then we're going to wipe away this powder down here. Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, my favorite. And I always do blush after my bronzer and highlight because I like to blend them together so it doesn't look like a harsh line. I just hit it on the nose a little bit for like a little bit of a sun-kissed moment. And hold on. Puff that. Wipe away that powder. And there you have more of like a sharp, more put together. Cute. Using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. I always do my setting spray before I do my bottom lash mascara because for some reason it will always transfer and like get all messed up if I don't wait. So my eyes are looking blue. You know, a lot of people say that blue eyeshadow doesn't work for blue eyes. I freaking disagree. That is a lie. That is a myth. It makes them pop. I want a little more highlight. I'm not living. Watch me go outside and it's like, oh, highlight. For some reason, I just don't look as highlighted right now. Bottom lash mascara. It makes a huge difference. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be using Colourpop Lippie Pencil 951. And then I'm using the matching satin lip. Colourpop Satin Lipstick formula is my favorite. I have very shaky hands, so I use my other hand to stabilize this hand. Fun fact. These lip pencils are super creamy and I like to use them to fill in my full lip. So that way my lipstick lasts longer throughout the day. Now for the 951 Ultra Satin Lip. And I normally apply a lip gloss, but I'm not really feeling that right now. I'll probably do that later at work. Now I'm going to use the Essence Make Me Brow 02 Brownie Brows. My favorite is Benefit Give Me Brow, and it's discontinued, and it breaks my heart. I think they're going to bring it back, though. Alright, you guys. That completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to see what my channel has in store. Make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed and click the little bell so you can turn on my post notifications so you know every time I post a video, which will hopefully be every Friday. And what else? Like, comment, and subscribe. That's what you do, right? And you can find me on all of my other social medias linked down below. I finally finished this video. Oh, she lost a hoop. Oh, I'm still filming. What the?